The question yesterday asked was how to convert this .txt file to .java file. For that, what you have to do, go to view, select the file, go to view. Normally, I think you cannot see the extension. If you didn't see the extension, see. Normally, sometimes you will not see the extension here, but you can see the type is text document. Now, if you want to edit also, it will not work. There you will not, you cannot see the .txt. Yeah. For that, what you have to do, just select the file, go to view, and here click on show. Here you have the file name extensions. Click that. Yeah. Then you will see .txt. Just rename the file. The extension, rename the extension. Just type here Java. It will ask you click yes. Here is the process to convert the .txt file to the .java file. Hope you understand. If you like the session, please subscribe. Thank you so much.